Hey guys, Baron Von Forger, Grillax.com. We're here today doing dessert on the FireDisc grill. One of my favorite desserts, bananas Foster, from my Louisiana upbringing, the New Orleans favorite. One of Brennan's restaurant's most sold item on their menu, bananas Foster, is a decadent dessert made with bananas, banana liqueur, a dark rum, brown sugar, butter. How else can you go wrong? We're gonna do that, and whoever thought you could do it on a grill, but now we have a FireDisc grill and we're gonna get it done. So we're gonna have bananas Foster on the FireDisc grill on Grillax.com. All right guys, we're gonna start with a half a stick of butter for this bananas Foster. We're gonna get the butter into the FireDisc. I'm gonna put 1 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon into the butter. Move this around until the sugar melts. You want your sugar to totally dissolve into that butter. You don't want to cook it too fast either. You don't want to burn it. It's kind of like a roux. If any of you guys are familiar with putting together a gumbo or creating any type of stock type soup that you need to create a roux for, you know you can't cook a roux too fast. Otherwise, it's gonna burn and it's gonna ruin. So take your time, just let the sugar melt on its own inside that FireDisc. Low heat, just give it a little mix on the outsides. Make sure that butter melts fully. Now after we melt the sugar with the butter, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of banana liqueur. And then after we put in our banana liqueur, we are going to add our banana slices, which is a halved banana. We're making 1 serving right now. And as you can see, the sugar and the butter are melting up very nicely over low heat on this FireDisc grill. Now we're going to add our 1/4 cup of banana liqueur. Give it a stir. Okay. Now we're going to add our banana slices. Let these cook. What you want is you want your bananas to get soft in the brown sugar mixture. Once they become soft and slightly browned, we're going to add our rum to the mixture. And then once we add our rum, we give it a little flambe. And then once the flame dies off, it's time to eat. Put this over 2 scoops of ice cream, and it's go time. Bananas Foster, Grillax.com on the FireDisc grill. All right guys, now it's time to add our dark rum. Now this is going to be, it's a Bacardi 151 rum. That's what we're using in this. Want to get it all around your banana, inside your sugar. And then you want to give your FireDisc a little light from the side. And let it flambe. Once that burns off, you're ready to go. All right guys, it's time to plate this. You're gonna get your banana first. Ooh, broke that one. Just go ahead and get it in the side. Right there. Get your other banana, just thoroughly cooked. Put it on the other side. Right in there by the ice cream. And then don't be stingy with your sauce. Come right over the top on that. And there you have it. Bananas Foster Grillax style with the FireDisc grill.